Namaste everyone, welcome back to Current Gyan. Today we are going to study about the fifth chapter of Nepal Parichay. So the chapter name is the Economic Systems of Nepal. So let us begin the lectures. So the Nepal is a developing country, as you know that. Although there are many possibilities for the economic development, the country lie in the rank of poorer countries. The United Nations in 1971 AD has stated that Nepal has at least developed countries. Nepal has been falling in the fold of four countries of the world because of per capita income is very low in Nepal and there is unequal distribution of national income. Majority of the peoples having to depend on the agriculture and there is a lack of employment oriented vocational education etc. The other direct causes behind the poverty are migration, lack of education, lack of awareness, high population growth, landlocked economy, such priority on the export, import, and the lack of proper utilization of natural resources. So this is the tea garden of Ilam. This is the picture. So the population based on the agriculture, the economic based on the remittance, poverty, landlocked economy, unequal distribution of national income, unbalanced regional development under the utilization of natural resources, small volume of foreign trade, mixed economy dependent on the foreign aid, low development of the human resources, minimum tourism business amidst an abundance of the possibilities. Under the utilization of cultural heritage, low consumption of the energy, low rate of the economic development are the characteristic of economic system of Nepal. So we will read the first plan developed effort in the Nepal. So the plan control and direction by the central official over the economics to achieve the specific goal and objective with a certain time is called economic planning. So the planning inherits the objective like fulfillment of employment, decreased inequality, decreased poverty, wise use of resources, accelerate the pace of economic development, encourage the balanced development, moving towards the self-dependency, social security, and maintain economic stability. The history of planning in the Nepal is not that old. So although the Ranas ruled Nepal for 104 years, they did not take any substantial step for the plan development. However, Rana Prime Minister Juddha Shamsher has announced 20-year plans. The plan was never implemented. Although the economic planning was not initiated even after 2007 BS due to the political instability and lack of clear direction, enough exercises were done on the planning. There became a budget for the first time in 2008. Planned government in the Nepal started from 2013 BS. The plans have been presented below in a brief. So the first plan was the 5-year plan from 2013 to 2018. The first 5-year plan began in Assos 1st 2013 and ended in Shravan 2018. This is BS. So what was the objective of the first 5-year plan? First is to increase the production and employment to improve the standard living of the Nepal without any discrimination. To complete the economic survey requires during the process of developing infrastructure for the future plans. So what are the priorities? Transportation and communication. And second one is irrigation and energy forestry. Third one is agriculture and agriculture related social service, and the last one is industry, mines, and tourism. So the second 3-year plans from 19 to 2022 BS. The second 3-year plan started from 2019 to ended at 2022 BS. The objective of plan was to increase the agricultural and industrial production to meet the needs of the increasing population, to increase the atmosphere of the development of the by establishing the price stability, to increase the employment opportunities by using the labor intensive technology, to maintain justified social system. So priorities was in transportation and communication, social service, industry, mines and tourism, agriculture, irrigation, forestry and drinking water, energy and miscellaneous. The third was the third 5-year plan from 2022 to 2027. The third year plan started from 22, ended at 27 BS. The plan aimed at doubling the national production within the 15 years. The plan had the target of increasing the national income by 19%, average per capita income by 9%, and food product by 15%, and the cash crops by 73%. So the objective was to increase the production of food of the agricultural sector, and to bring the managerial reforms in the agriculture, and to keep developing the fundamental sector, to keep infrastructure for the industrial development, to bring the diversification in the foreign trade, and to keep the fulfilling of social needs. And the priorities are the transportation and communication, agriculture, irrigation, forestry and industry, social service and others. So with this we will end this lecture and we will discuss further plans in the next lecture. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Jai Nepal.